Want to save money and help the environment while charging your Tesla at home? Off-peak charging means charging your Tesla during times when electricity rates are lower, typically at night. By using Tesla's smart charging features, you can reduce your electricity bills and support a more sustainable energy grid. Here's how the Tesla app helps you schedule charging. You can adjust charging current and limits for efficiency. Monitor your energy usage and costs with smart meters. Proper wiring ensures safe and efficient charging. Watch your battery charge and savings increase during off-peak hours. Charging during off-peak hours offers significant cost savings. By scheduling your Tesla to charge at night when electricity rates are lower, you can save an average of $200 to $500 per year on your energy bills. Another important benefit is reducing strain on the power grid. By charging during off-peak hours instead of peak demand times, you help prevent grid overloads and maintain system stability. Finally, off-peak charging supports renewable energy integration. It makes use of excess power generated by wind farms and other renewable sources during nighttime when demand is typically lower. The benefits of scheduled charging are widely recognized. As of 2025, 85% of Tesla owners in the US are using some form of scheduled charging to take advantage of these advantages. Setting up scheduled charging is easy with the Tesla app version 4.25 or later. First, download and open the app. Navigate to the Charging tab in the app. Enable scheduled charging and select off-peak mode. Input your utility's rate schedule or let the app auto-detect it via location services. Finally, set your desired departure time to ensure your Tesla is charged to your preferred level, like 80% by morning. Let's walk through a real-world example. Imagine your utility's off-peak hours are from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. when electricity rates are lower. This is a common schedule in many areas. In the Tesla app, navigate to the Charging tab and enable scheduled charging. Set the start time to 10 p.m. to align with off-peak hours. Next, set your desired charge level to 80% by your departure time. This ensures your Tesla is fully charged when you need it without wasting energy. The app will automatically start charging at 10 p.m. Watch as your Tesla charges to 80% during the low-cost off-peak hours. By morning, your Tesla is ready to go at 80% charge, having taken advantage of cheaper off-peak electricity. This simple setup can save you money while ensuring your vehicle is prepared for your day. Tesla's smart charging feature now uses AI to predict optimal charging times based on weather, grid demand, and your driving patterns. Tesla has also partnered with utilities like PG&E, Southern California Edison, and Duke Energy to provide dynamic pricing alerts. If you live in California, you can set charging to align with super off-peak hours from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., potentially reducing costs by up to 70% compared to peak rates. Advanced settings allow you to fine-tune your Tesla charging schedule for maximum efficiency. You can create separate schedules for weekdays and weekends to match your daily routines. Adjust the charge limit to preserve battery health, as Tesla recommends keeping levels between 20% and 80% for optimal longevity. This prevents unnecessary stress on the battery cells. Monitor your energy usage and savings projections in the Tesla app. Track kilowatt hours consumed and dollar savings compared to peak rate charging. If you're encountering issues with scheduled charging, start by checking that your Tesla's software is fully up to date. Outdated software can prevent proper communication with utility providers and accurate rate detection. Next, ensure your location services are enabled in the Tesla app. This allows the app to automatically detect your utility provider and access real-time electricity rates for optimal scheduling. If charging doesn't start as scheduled, verify your home Wi-Fi connection is stable. A weak or disconnected Wi-Fi can prevent the Tesla app from communicating with your vehicle for remote scheduling commands. For persistent problems that can't be resolved with these steps, contact Tesla support through the app or website, or reach out directly to your utility provider for assistance with rate schedules and connectivity issues. The future of Tesla charging is even smarter. Expect increased adoption of smart grids with AI and automation playing a greater role in scheduling. Tesla is also exploring vehicle-to-grid (V2G) technology, allowing your Tesla to feed power back to your home during peak demand. Tesla aims for 100% renewable powered charging by 2030, making off-peak scheduling even more impactful. By 2030, experts predict 80% of EV charging will be scheduled off-peak. As Tesla continues to innovate, the charging experience will become more efficient, sustainable, and integrated with the grid.